Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abhay Salib and welcome to my new video. Before starting the video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Today's topic is what is variable? Variable is just like a container. It's just like a container in which you can container in which you can put anything, just like one thing, other thing, and other thing. You can store for further use. Okay. In JavaScript, variable is just like that. Okay. For example, if I start writing it, I'm in iNotepad. If I go to Google Chrome, I already discussed you. We can write JavaScript in our console. Just clear it. Let's say I write 12. It's just a 12. But if I write that x is equal to 3, then x is a variable in which 3 is assigned. This is an assignment operator which assign value to a variable of other side value. Okay. Let is the keyword which is used to make variable. If I hit enter, it's undefined. If I print console.log x, then you can see there is 3 which is from this variable. Now we have 3 methods to define a variable. Number 1 is let, then var, then const. Both have its own work. That is the most recommended to create variables. It's the latest technology or latest method to create a variable. Var is also create variable, but old method. Most of all the programmers not use now. Oh, it's replaced with let. And const we use when we create a variable whose value cannot be changed. Variable is just like a container, we can store it, and then when we need we can change the value. But const create a variable whose value cannot be changed. Okay? For example, let's take an example. I create that x is equal to 4 and then console.log x. You see its value is 4. Before this I assign value x is 3. If I again assign value x is equal to 6, then console.log x is a 6. Variable values are changed. But if I create const y is equal to 4, now print console.log y is 4. If I change value of y is equal to 3, it's given an error, type error, assignment to constant variable. You are giving a value to constant. So again, repeat also let was recommended and used to create a variable. Var or also used to create a variable, but it's a old method. Const used to create a variable whose value cannot change on runtime. Hope so you find it informative video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.